Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to make a gold leaf electroscope but with the help of aluminum foil as we have less budget, and we will also know the concept of gold leaf electroscope. Basically it is a device used to detect the charge. To make a gold leaf electroscope we need one transparent jar, one thin copper wire, a piece of aluminum foil, one scissor, one empty refill of a pen, one plastic straw, sellotape and a woolen cloth. First of all, take a thin copper wire and make few turns from one end and make a spiral like this. Now take the jar and make a small hole on the center of the cap like this. Now take the refill and cut it from the center. Now pass the copper wire from the refill like this and pass the refill from the hole on the cap of jar and make a U shape from another end of copper wire. Now cut two pieces of aluminum foil in the shape of leaf like this and hang both pieces on U shape of copper wire like this. Now close the jar and attach a tape on the top of cap for better support, and your gold leaf electroscope is ready. Let's see the result. You can see that when I brought a straw near to coil of copper wire, there is deflection in the aluminum leaf. This is because when I rub the straw in a woolen cloth, straw has excessness of electron and we can say that straw is negatively charged. And when it is brought near to the coil of copper wire, the negative charge will move downwards as the like charge is repelled. And now both the aluminum leaf are negatively charged and hence they repel and show the deviation. That's it for today's video. If you think this video was informative, please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Fearless.